Look at it. It's the perfect stand for the perfect boy. Look at this combination here. This is actually really funny. All right. That's, Oh, it's a bootleg shuffle. Oh, it's got 2 gigs in it. Oh, that is a pretty nice bootleg shuffle. USB mini, of course, because USB mini is awful. Oh, this is the 60 gig big chunk. Holy sh! Oh, it's so thick. Oh, what a chunkster. Who has 60 gigs worth of music? Oh, this is heavy, but the drive isn't shaking, so the drive may be good. Oh, that battery is tired. Okay, we'll continue to charge the 5th gen somewhere else. But let's get the FireWire. Oh, it's booting right up. Is that that's the color version? Now, I have a hypothesis with this guy. Since everything works and everything is good to go, I'm wondering if the battery's just dead and can't supply enough juice to the drive. Because that does happen. iPods are very finicky. You do need a charger to charge them, but sometimes if they don't have a battery, or if the battery is too sad, it won't charge properly, and then the iPod turn on. Because I've seen it before, like the drive in here could be completely fine. I don't think it fits. Oh, it's so fucking chunk. Matey, the 60G. I have to see when this was made. Okay, so far we got a 60G, got this one, we got that, and the 5th gen, which is charging. Hey, booting right up. Awesome. Please have a good drive. I am hearing good sounds from the boy. Oh. Oh, you'll love to see it. All right, let's check vids. I love checking videos first. Oh, it's got movies on it? Oh, okay, wow. That's something else. Photos? Oh. Why did you get this if you only have 580 songs on it in one movie? This click wheel is nasty. It has to be replaced. Let's go to artists. Oh God, oh no. So much Eminem. Ugh, I don't like that. Alright, the only thing I know on here is Pearl Jam and Bad Company. So we get some new stuff to explore then. Oh. Well, a perfectly working ADG and we got some laughs. Awesome.